gonna be part one of getting the barn ready for winter. I got the excavator up. I'm just gonna let the horses out. It's incredible how unfazed they are by it. I'm gonna start by clearing a few things before we start digging out some stuff. For the record, I do have 10 years of excavator operating experience, so you guys can do the math on that one. All right, that is phase one complete. I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so I pulled all the dirt. We did have gravel here before. It just got covered in dirt and poop and everything, and it kind of like slanted down towards the barn, so we're gonna fix that. I do need to fix these mats because I may or may not have bumped this one a little bit, so I just need to pull them back again. It's not that different. It's just this is a bit lower now, so it's not higher than the mats. And you can see here, it's a bit low there, so we're gonna add a bunch of dirt there. This is everything that I pulled off of here. I've just moved these mats around, and I think that's all I'm gonna do for today, so stay tuned for part two when I finish this up.